Lecture 4, Hydrogen Bonding. The hydrogen bond is a special dipole-dipole interaction between the hydrogen atom in a polar bond, such as nitrogen-hydrogen, oxygen-hydrogen, or F and H, and electronegative atom O and F atom. Then dipoles results from unequal sharing of electrons between atoms within a covalent bond. These are weak bonds and denoted as dotted line. That means hydrogen bonding को dotted line से denote करते हैं. The compounds that are capable of forming hydrogen bonding is only soluble in water. Hydrogen bonding is classified into two types. One is intermolecular, second is intramolecular. First, intermolecular hydrogen bonding. It is occur between two or more than two molecules of the same or different compounds. Intermolecular, that means it is occur between two or more than two molecules of the same or different compound. Due to this, increase the boiling point of the compound and increase the molecular weight of compound. Hence, more energy is required to dissociate the molecular for vaporization. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding क्या है? H bonding occurs within two atoms of the same molecule. This type of bonding is known as chelation and frequently occurs in organic compounds. Sometimes H bond develop 6 or 5 member rings due to decrease the boiling point. इसके एग्जाम्पल है सैलिसिलिक एसिड एंड ऑर्थोनाइट्रोफेनॉल. अब बारी है effect of H bonding. All physical properties affected by H bonding. First is boiling and melting point. Second, water solubility. Third, strength of acid. Fourth, spectroscopic properties. Fifth, on surface tension and viscosity. Six, biological products. Seven, drug receptor interaction. Fourth है chelation या complexation. Complex of drug molecules can't cross the natural membrane barriers. They render the drug biological ineffectivity. The rate of absorption is proportional to the concentration of the free drug molecules. The diffusion of drug. Due to reversibility of the complexation, equilibrium between free drug and drug complex. Drug plus complexing agent, equilibrium, drug complex. Then complexation reduce the rate of absorption of drug but not affect the availability of drug. Then importance of chelates in medicine. फर्स्ट है एंटीडोट फॉर मेटल पॉइजनिंग, जिसमें फर्स्ट एग्जांपल है डाइमर कैप्रोल इज़ अ चिलेटिंग एजेंट. सेकेंड, पेनिसिलामाइन. फिफ्थ आता है फिजिकोकेमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ में. फिफ्थ है आयोनाइजेशन ऑफ ड्रग. मोस्ट ऑफ द ड्रग्स आर आइदर वीक एसिड और बेस and can exist in either ionized or unionized state. Ionization is equal protonation or deprotonation, resulting in charged molecules. It depends on its pKa and pH. The rate of drug absorption is directly proportional to the concentration of the drug and absorbable form. Ionization form imparts good water solubility to the drug, which is required of binding of drug and receptor interaction. Unionized form imparts good water solubility to the drug, which is required of binding of drug and receptor interaction. Unionized form helps the drug to cross the cell membrane. Barbituric acid is inactive because it is a strong acid. When 5,5-disubstituted barbituric acid has CNS depressant action because it is weak acid. According to Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for acids, pH pKa is equal log ionized upon unionized. For base, pH pKa is equal log unionized upon ionized. Percent ionization is equal 100 upon 1 plus 10 pH minus pKa pH. When an acid or base is 50% ionized, at that condition pH is equal pKa. The solution of weak acid, aspirin in stomach, pH 1, will get readily absorbed because it is in the unionized form, 99%. Phenytoin injection must be adjusted to pH 12 with sodium hydroxide to obtain 99.98% of the drug in ionized form. Then tropicamide eye drop and anticholinergic drug has a pKa of 5.2 and the drug has to be buffered to pH 4 to obtain more than 90% of ionization. Importance of ionization of drugs. Weak acid at acid pH. More lipid soluble because it is uncharged. The uncharged form more readily passes through the biological membranes. RCOO plus H plus is equal RCOOH. Weak base at alkaline pH. More lipid soluble because it is uncharged. The uncharged form more readily passes through the biological membrane. RNH is equal RNH2 and H. Thank you.